So when I was making my Dice Masters, I noticed something odd. And if you haven't noticed this before, check out your dice, see what type of dice you have. So these are all different sets. I just grabbed out the ones that are important for kind of showing the examples that I have. So one of the things that dice does, that's the 6, that's your 1. So one of the things they do is if you add them up, 6 plus 1, 7. 2, 5, opposite sides, 7. 4, 3, opposite sides, 7. So one of the things that you'll notice on any D6 is the opposite sides will always add up to 1 more than the amount of sides, 7. This D4 does not follow that pattern because it's a weird shape. It's kind of hard to do that. This D4, on the other hand, you got a 2, flip to the other side, 3, adds up to 5. 1, 4, 5. Adds up to 1 more than the amount of sides the dice has. You'll see that the exact same thing happens on your 8. So there's your 8, opposite side 1 adds up to 9, 4, opposite side 5 adds up to 9. So every single dice has the exact same orientation of numbers. They all add up to the same number until you get to 10. Depending on which dice you get, you can get different options. So there's your 1, and if I flip it to the opposite side, instead of being the 10 to add up to 11, it's 8 to add up to 9. So all of the opposite sides on this set, instead of adding up to 11, 1 more than the amount of sides, adds up to 9. 0, 9 adds up to 9. It counts the 0 as a 0. Go to this set, you'll see a similar thing. There's your 1. Go to the opposite side. There's your 8. 0, opposite side, 9 adds up to 9. This one, 1, opposite side, showing you where I've got the opposite, 0. So this set goes to 11. 9, 2 adds up to 11. I don't know why they do this. It throws me off when I notice that that was happening. So if you look at the tops, you'll see it's got all the same numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. They're all evens, but the orientation of the numbers changes. Is it going to change how it rolls? No. Does it change the rules? Yes. You'll see something different with the 20s. They do all add up to 21. There's no weirdness there. But the orientation of the numbers on the D20s change. I've seen a bunch of different options. So on my sets of dice that I've bought, I've got your 1, 19, 3, 17, 7. This set right here has 1, 19, 3, 17, 7. So that one matches my Hufflepuff set. But you'll see this one, when I find the 1, is 1, 13, 11, 9, 19. So many dice have this set of numbers. They always show up a certain way. These ones do it up to 21. You can see 19, 2, that's a 9, 12, adds up to 21. But they're not all the same. So what orientation do you have?